Now we will see one more definition, that is nothing but a nilpotent element in a ring. So whenever we are having a ring, an element A in a ring is said to be nilpotent if there exists, means we are able to find a positive integer n. This is the important, these are the keywords rather in the definition. If we are able to find a positive integer n such that a raised to n is equal to 0. So what is a raised to n? Actually it is nothing but a multiplied by a multiplied by a and so on n times. Remember, it is multiplication. In ring theory it is very much clear. Whenever we are having a raised to n, it is multiplication, a multiplied by a multiplied by a n times. And whenever it is na, it means a plus a plus a n times. Okay. So let us understand it through example so that the idea will be clear. For example, we have to find nilpotent elements in Z8. Now what are the elements of Z8? Starting from 0 bar, that goes up to what? 7 bar. Now remember, we are searching for a positive power of n. We are searching for a positive power n such that a raised to n is equal to 0. Now let us try it for each element in Z8. For example, if we take 0 bar, now what is 0 bar raised to 1 is 0 bar, right? So is 1 a positive integer? Yes. So there exists a positive integer 1 such that 0 bar raised to 1 is equal to 0 bar. You should note one more thing, that this 0 is actually the additive identity and not our usual 0. So what is the additive identity in Z8? That is 0 bar. So thus this implies that 0 bar here is a nilpotent element. Now let us check it for 1 bar. So we will say note that. Okay, this part is done. Now for 1 bar. So 1 bar raised to 1 is 1 bar. What will be 1 bar raised to 2? That will be also 1 bar, because 1 bar multiplied by 1 bar, right? 1 bar raised to 3, that is 3 bar, and this will go on continuing. I am sorry, 1 bar raised to 3, again 1 bar, and this will go on continuing, and this process won't stop. So there is no positive power of 1 bar such that 1 bar raised to that positive power, let us call it as n, is equal to 0 bar. So 1 bar is not a nilpotent element. Now let us move towards next element, that is 2 bar. So 2 bar raised to 1, remember we will always start with 1 because we are interested in positive powers, right? So 2 bar raised to 1 is 2 bar. What is 2 bar raised to 2? That is 4 bar. What is 2 bar raised to 3? That is 8 bar, but we are in Z8. So what is 8 bar in Z8? 0 bar. So there exists a positive power, that is 3, such that 2 bar raised to 3 is equal to 0 bar. So what does it imply? This implies 2 bar is nilpotent. Okay. Remember, this 0 bar is also nilpotent. Now moving towards the next one, let us talk about 3 bar. So 3 bar raised to 1 is 3 bar. What is 3 bar raised to 2? 9 bar. But we are in Z8. So modulo 8, what will be 9 bar? It will be 1 bar. Now we will move towards 3 bar raised to 3. So 3 bar raised to 3 is actually 3 bar raised to 2 multiplied by 3 bar. But 3 bar raised to 2 is 1 bar, right, in the previous step. So it is 1 bar multiplied by 3 bar. So which is again 3 bar. So it is not 0 bar. So we will take next positive power of 3 bar. So 3 bar raised to 4 is actually 3 bar raised to 2 multiplied by 3 bar raised to 2. But the value of 3 bar raised to 2 is 1 bar. 1 bar multiplied by 1 bar, it is again 1 bar. What about 3 bar raised to 5? It is 3 bar raised to 4 multiplied by 3 bar raised to 1. But 3 bar raised to 4 is 1 bar. So 1 bar multiplied by 3 bar is equal to 3 bar. So do you see a pattern here? First of all we got 3 bar, then we got 1 bar, again we got 3 bar, 1 bar, 3 bar. What will be next? Can you guess? 3 bar raised to 6, 1 bar. Then 3 bar raised to 7, 3 bar. So this process will be continued. So you will get and you will never get 0. I mean, so there is no positive integer such that 3 bar raised to something is equal to what? 0 bar. So thus this 3 bar is also not a nilpotent element, okay, not nilpotent. Now let us check the next one for 4 bar. Now 4 bar raised to 1 is actually 4 bar, 4 bar raised to 2, 16 bar, but what is 16 bar in Z8? That is 0 bar. So what does it imply? There exists a positive power of 4 bar, that is nothing but 2, such that 4 bar raised to 2 is equal to 0 bar. So therefore 4 bar is nilpotent. Next element is 5 bar. So 5 bar raised to 1, 5 bar, 5 bar raised to 2, 25 bar, but modulo 8, it is 1 bar. Again 5 bar raised to 3, it is 5 bar raised to 2 multiplied by 5 bar, but 5 bar raised to 2 is 1 bar. So 1 bar multiplied by 5 bar is again 5 bar. Now 5 bar raised to 4, it will be 5 bar raised to 2, 5 bar raised to 2, so that will be 1 bar multiplied by 1 bar. Again, are you seeing a pattern here? Again the value is oscillating, right? First we got 5 bar, then 1 bar, 5 bar, this is 1 bar, again we will get 5 bar, and this will be continued. So again 5 bar is not a nilpotent. Similarly we can check for rest of the elements also, and that I leave for homework, right?